Hello everyone. So today we are going to refactor our grenade collection system to support these three different types of grenades that we have. This is normal grenade, and this is flashbang, and this is a smoke grenade. So the character will be able to collect and keep all three different types of grenades. So here you can see in the bottom left the grenade type and the count. So by using E, we can cycle through the grenade types we have. For the moment we have three types: normal grenade, flashbang, and smoke grenade. So here if I collect this is a normal, sorry, let me switch to the normal grenade. So you can see the normal grenade count 2, and if I press E, the character collect that grenade. And here a flashbang. So let me switch to flashbang and collect 4 flashbangs, and similarly smoke grenades for smoke grenade. So we can collect those types, and the active grenade type is smoke. So let me just throw one. Alright, and you can see this count is also updating, and yeah, that's what I am going to work on today. Okay, so at the moment I have a small issue with my grenade count. So here if I collect a grenade, you can see the grenade count is not updated. So the reason is, initially I implemented grenades with this grenade count and max grenade count using those two variables, but later on I changed it to this throwable data array, and inside that array I have this BP grenade item. So when I collect, which I have implemented here, I am still using the grenade count. So that's the problem. So what I need to do is I need to replace this grenade count and max grenade count to use the throwable data structure. Use the grenade element in throwable data structure array. So get throwable data. So let's first implement a function, a PO function. I think it would be better if I implement it here under functions. Get thrower per type, and I'll make it a PO function so that we can call it without having an execution pin connected. So get throwable type, throwable data array, and run a for each loop. Well, yeah, for each loop, yes. And then we can break this item and check the class. How? Yeah, here we can check if it is equal. Yeah, we can use the class, and if this is true, we can return this element. Right, but using the class seems somewhat not optimal, but I don't have a better idea at the moment. Maybe we can add the item type variable here. Yeah, we can do that. Why not? So yeah, let me get rid of this. Yeah, actually that is ammo type. So here we have to select grenades, mines, flamethrower. Oh, hold on. What happens if I have flashbangs? And yeah, actually for smoke grenades and flashbangs too, we have to we have to add them also in here. So flashbang, smoke grenades. Yeah. Now, what's this type again? This is throwable data in item data structure. Item data structure. Right. Now here we need another variable. Item type. This should be in ammo type. Shall we move it closer to the item class so that seeing them together we can easily make sure that we have the same correct ammo type is selected for the correct class. Now, crashed. Yeah, let me restart. So actually, yeah, that is something I have experienced when I try to do any changes usually, and with structures, engine crashes sometime. So I was working on get throwable type function. Function again. I'll implement get throwable type. Oh, maybe we should rename this get throwable type. No, find our throwable type, because get throwable type can be referred to as here we have throwable data. Get throwable data, not type. So if I use get throwable data in a function name, then getting throwable data this array also like this get throwable data, this will be confused with get throwable data function. So find throwable data is better. Hope that makes sense. And here get throwable data do a for each loop with break. Actually no need to have a break, because if we return, that should terminate automatically. Yeah, break, and we need to compare the item type with the item type, and if it is true we can return this structure, this element. Right. And if it is not found, let's add another output. It's found, and it should be true. Else we should return with found false. Let's use this as a PO function so that we can use this without having connecting an execution pin. Now in the collect demo, we can use find throwable data, and here grenades. Shall we collapse this? Collect throwable. Right. Here as an input, I'll add the mode type also. B is amount, and output pin. This is ammo type. We can move the execute to the top. Right. Now here, now that we can have multiple types, not just grenades, we may be having flashbangs or smoke grenades as well. So we have to use the type and then break. Need to make sure that this particular type is found, otherwise we can't set them. Here now, instead of this grenade count, we can use count, and instead of the max grenade count, we can use the count from this item data structure, and set value we can set member. In item data we need to set the count. Okay, now I have to use this part for both grenades, smoke grenades and flashbangs. Shall we check? Here we have a grenade. You can see 2 as the grenade count. Here if I collect, 2 is not increased for some reason. What might that be? Hold on, did I call update grenade count? Yes, I did. What could be the issue? One more thing, let me remove the grenade count here, and where else I have used it. Okay, now the references in use where okay. Alright, max grenade count. Okay, now that is cleared out. Alright, actually I didn't update this variable. This is still rifle ammo. I should name this grenades. This is this flashbangs, smoke grenades. Save everything, compile. Now it should work. Let's see. Now the grenade count is 2 and it is still 2. Okay. Alright, still not correct. Just to check if this part is executing, let's add a print with an append collecting the ammo type. Let's keep it for 10 seconds to be sure. Collecting grenades, and that works. Okay, upgrade grenade counts. Shall I print this? After here, actually we are getting the grenade count, but for some reason I think this count is not updated. Let's print the final count also to confirm and see what's going on. Right, let's see now what is printed. Collecting grenades and 2. But why 2? Because by default we already should have 2, and when we collect 2 more grenades should be coming, and altogether it should be 4, but for some reason it's 2. The only reason that I can think of is sorry, I should connect it like this. Oh, mistakenly I have connected it to wait, this is also correct. Yeah, that's also correct. Anyway, let's check again. Yeah, it's into okay. So here the let's check it with the count of what this returns. That is for alright. So I think after setting the members we will have to, so here we are getting a copy. That should be what's happening, not the reference to actual array. Right, so then what I can think of doing is, instead of getting the element here, let's change this array index and then return this index. Let me change this to integer. Yeah, now we can get throwable data, get a ref using this index, and we can use it here like this. Now I think it should work. Let's see. Yeah, grenade count is now 4. So one more thing, let's try adding flashbang and smoke grenades too. This one flashbang, this one smoke grenade. But yeah, I haven't set the icons, so go to edit here for the smoke grenade, flashbang. Right, now we have the icons. If I change here using E, I can change the active grenade type. So here this is the normal grenade, this is flashbang, and this is a smoke grenade. So let me collect this. Oh wait, why don't I get sorry, I have another issue to address. The can collect ammo type here, if it is now we have 3 types of grenades. So find throwable type, get the ammo, found. So if we have that type of grenades, we can collect them. Yeah, collected. See, now we got flashbangs, 4 flashbangs, and 2 smoke grenades, 4 smoke grenades, 2 frag grenades, 4 grenades, 2 mines, 4 mines. Okay, all the variables are saved, and yeah, let me just throw a frag. Alright, everything is working. Great. So I'm gonna stop this episode right here, and thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.